Ever wondered how to unlock the secrets hidden within your data, revealing patterns and trends others might miss? Today, we're diving into the world of Tableau's distribution plots, like histograms and box plots, to uncover powerful data insights. First, let's understand the basics by opening Tableau desktop and connecting to your data source. This could be anything from an Excel sheet to a database. Ensure your data is loaded within Tableau, and you can see your field names populating the data pane on the left side of the screen. This is where you can see the data you'll be working with. For a histogram, Tableau is going to automatically choose the right chart based on your data selections. We will focus on looking at our numerical measures. To create a visualization, navigate to the measures in your data pane and choose one with numerical values. Then, click the Show Me tab on the right side of your screen. Select the histogram icon. It looks like a bar chart. Tableau will automatically create the histogram plot. The axis visually breaks down your data into bins, showing the frequency of each value or range of values. Now, to customize your histogram, think about the bin size. Adjusting these bins can change how your data is shown, potentially highlighting new patterns. Click the Show Me tab again and select the histogram icon to edit the bins. Right-click the axis and select Edit Axis. You'll then see options to easily customize the bin size. Let's create a box plot. Box plots effectively visualize the distribution of your data. They show the median, quartiles, and any outliers. We can make them from the same data in the Show Me tab. Again, select your numerical field and then find the box plot icon. Tableau automatically arranges your data in the box plot format. Box plots reveal key insights. The box itself represents the interquartile range. The whiskers extend to show the range of values, and the individual points, dots, indicate potential outliers. Those values that sit outside the typical range. These outliers could represent either errors or important pieces of information. And that's it. Use these steps to create your own distribution plots in Tableau. Using these visuals will equip you to discover hidden trends, identify unusual data points, and gain a deeper understanding of your data. Now go explore your data and uncover those hidden insights.